If you want to make more money with your print-on-demand business, then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, in today's video, I'm going to review the top 5 websites that you can actually sell your print-on-demand products and make more money without a huge capital upfront and even a lot of tech knowledge. But before we actually get into our video today, I want you to help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. So with that being said, if you are completely brand new to print on demand and you are unsure on exactly what a print on demand business is, I highly recommend you to watch this video first. But in short, a print-on-demand business is essentially where you put your own graphic on a t-shirt, mug, hoodie, pillow cover, and hundreds of merchandises that you can actually sell online. And the beauty about print-on-demand business is the fact that you hold no inventory, the product is sold before it even exists, and your risk in this business is very minimal. But as I said, if you are unsure on how a print-on-demand business works, I highly recommend you to watch my video on my YouTube channel to learn more about print-on-demand first. Now, with that being said, when it comes to creating a print-on-demand business, the first website that I highly recommend you to get started is Shopify. Now, you may have heard me countlessly talk about Shopify. And the reason why I say this is because, after all, when you are building your business, you want to have a brand and a place for people to go to buy your products. And Shopify definitely by far makes this easy for every single one of you. And on top of that, there are some advantages and disadvantages on having your print-on-demand products right into your Shopify store. And let me actually share with you real quick on what they are. And let's talk about the advantages first. So after all, with Shopify, a lot of suppliers are integrated with them so that your entire process is automated. The minute that your customer buys from you, then your vendor who's going to produce your product will get your order and help you create, pack, and ship out the product directly to your customer. Now, on top of that, having your print-on-demand business on Shopify will allow you to easily have repeated customers. Because at the end of the day, you have the opportunity to capture their email address, their phone, and a place for them to come back and buy more from you because they had a great experience on your website and they love the graphic that you have. And also, obviously, it hosts everything for you and it's a complete no-brainer. And last but not least, having a Shopify store will allow you to increase your average order value. Because if a person comes and buy a t-shirt, you can upsell them a hoodie, a mug, and simply monetize more from one single transaction. However, the downside is when it comes to building your print-on-demand business on Shopify, you need to work on your own traffic. You need to learn how to run Facebook ads. You also need to obviously learn how to drive customers to your website in order for them to see the graphic and actually buy from you. So that, I would say, is a downside, because in the upcoming websites that I recommend you, obviously you have the opportunity to tap right into the pool of hyperactive customers. However, your first step is to always have your website first and actually have a place for you to start uploading your graphic onto your merchandise. Now, once you've done so, it's time for you to actually increase the impression and distributions of your graphic. How? Well, website number 2, you want to actually use RedBubble.com. RedBubble.com is essentially like an Amazon platform where you are selling your own graphic on all the merchandise they have available on their website. And the beauty about having your graphics onto RedBubble.com is the fact that you don't even need to worry about the packing, shipping, and even traffic to get people interested in your design. All you really need to do is to create an account with RedBubble and you upload the exact same designs you have from your Shopify store right into RedBubble.com. However, the only downside with RedBubble.com is that you are competing with some of the top graphic artists in the world. So when it comes to finding your winning design that really resonates with the market, this is actually even more important than ever before. Because with Shopify, when you start driving Facebook ad, you can actually target people that are more likely to like your design. However, on RedBubble.com, people that are shopping on there are specifically looking for the designs that they like. And there are so many variations and also competition on RedBubble.com, your design would need to absolutely stand out. However, if you are able to really lock in the design elements of your print-on-demand products, you can actually make a lot of money on RedBubble.com. Now, website number 3 is Etsy.com. Now, a lot of people think that when it comes to Etsy, it's essentially a platform to sell or buy homemade products. That is half true. First of all, you cannot upload physical products that with drop shipping on AliExpress onto Etsy. Your account will get suspended because those are not considered homemade products. However, Etsy actually allows print-on-demand items because they are kind of on the gray area. They are still being made on demand, and that's what Etsy actually wants. And in fact, nowadays, there is a floodgate of people on Etsy that are looking to buy merchandise. Things like t-shirt, hoodie, mugs work phenomenally well on Etsy.com. And once again, all you have to do is simply just grab the designs that you have right from your Shopify store and upload it right into Etsy.com. Now, each time you have a listing on Etsy, it will cost you 20 cents. But listen, it's only 20 cents that will give you the opportunity and the ability to tap into Etsy's buyers, which ultimately is one of the best buyers when it comes to print-on-demand products. And in fact, if you know what you're doing, you can even run Etsy ads to really wipe out the competitors and have your products shown to those that are searching specifically for your design. Now, website number 4 is Merch by Amazon. Now, you might think that when it comes to Amazon, you gotta actually work with FBA, which is Fulfillment by Amazon. You may think that you need to actually have inventory, ship to Amazon, and actually have Amazon fulfill your product. Well, that is only half true. Merch by Amazon is a subset of Amazon, where essentially they are also going to be creating the product for you and shipping it to your customer. So essentially, you are going to tap right into Amazon's platform and use their technology and their warehouse and their production center to actually help you ship out the product. However, the two downside with Merch by Amazon is number 1, you need to get accepted. And in order for you to really get accepted, you need to have a business to really showcase your design. That's why you would need Shopify to actually put in your application that you actually have a website and you are currently selling. And number 2 is that you're not gonna get a lot of margins. For example, you're basically going to make around 20 to 25% margin. Yes, Amazon takes care of everything for you and you make a good 20 to 25% margin. I mean, it's not bad considering the fact that what we're building is a distribution network and you're essentially kind of like wholesaling to Amazon and have them sell for you. So again, you can actually put your product upload it right into Merch by Amazon to sell more of the same design. Now, last but not least, website number 5 is actually a social network. You can actually have a Facebook shop right inside Facebook platform. And with the Facebook shop, if you connect it with your Instagram account, you are also going to tap right into Instagram shopping channel. And right now, Instagram updated their app where right at the bottom, people can actually look at all the feeds of a influencer or an Instagram's page shop, so that people either actually click to go back to your Shopify store or essentially just go straight into your Facebook shop and actually buy your product. So in this case, if you are regularly posting on Instagram and actually getting and having a design that can go viral, essentially you can actually use Facebook and Instagram to actually sell more for you. But all in all, at the end of the day, there are obviously multiple platforms that you can sell. I highly recommend you, if you're starting out with your print-on-demand business, is to start with Shopify first, because all these additional websites are going to act as a distribution channel. Look at it as like they are your other retailers or wholesalers helping you sell. Your focus should be on Shopify alone. Get the design made, upload it to your store, and drive the traffic yourself. And at the same time, take the same product, either a t-shirt, mug, hoodie, you name it, and actually upload it into all these platforms. Because you already have invested into getting your design made, you already are focusing on your own brand and your own store, might as well leverage it to these additional 4 sites to actually get more visibility to your products and to make more money. At the end of the day, everything is tied together. Think of it like this. Shopify at the top with your designs and product. You're basically then taking this and putting into Etsy, RedBubble, right? Merch by Amazon, Facebook shop, Instagram, etc., etc., etc. But then your whole focus is simply still your website. So if people actually see your products on these marketplaces, they may do a Google search and actually find your website and then buy directly from you. So remember, when it comes to selling online or even selling products locally, it all boils down into visibility, and the more people that you can get your product in front of, the more sales you are going to make. And with print on demand, your goal is to actually leverage these websites to actually generate more money for you. And ultimately, it doesn't cost you anything for you to actually upload right onto these websites. So listen, if you have a print on demand business, I definitely challenge you to actually start creating all these accounts and upload your products right into those marketplaces. Now, if you're brand new and you're wanting to actually learn how to build a print-on-demand business, I'll leave some links right in the video description right down below that you can actually check out how my coaches and I are going to help you kickstart and build your very own print-on-demand business. Now, I hope you learned a thing or two inside this video, and if you do, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. And last but not least, spend some time and indulge yourself into my YouTube channel. There's a ton of free tutorials, how-tos, strategies for you to learn and build, grow, and scale your online business. Till next time.